This is the StrongArm Fine Edge fixed blade knife. It features full Tang construction with a 420 high carbon fine edge blade for strength and durability. It's coated in black ceramic for low profile use and corrosion resistance. The knife's handle has a rubber overmold engineered with a diamond texture for superior grip in all conditions. The modular sheath has snapped together components that allow you to mount the knife in multiple ways, using MOLLE or vertically or horizontally on a standard tactical belt. Proudly built in Portland, Oregon, this is the StrongArm fixed blade knife.
This is the Schrade SCHF51M Frontier Fixed Blade Bushcraft Survival Knife, one of two blades in the SCHF51 series. Built for bushcraft, the SCHF51M boasts a full Tang and fixed blade. The shaving sharp 5-inch fine edge blade is crafted from popular and proven 1095 high carbon steel that is coated with tough, scratch and corrosion resistant PTFE. The resilient drop point is designed for a wide range of tasks like drilling and slicing that require precision control and an extra tough tip. At nearly a quarter-inch thick, the full Tang of the SCHF51M is designed for chopping, batoning, and other hard bushcraft assignments that would crush a lesser tool. Contoured to fit the human hand, grooved micarta slabs channel moisture away while providing the stable and comfortable grip needed during extended use. Lower hand guards and the spine-side thumb ramp add further knife control and safety. Use the stout pommel end to crush, break, and smash. Add a length of paracord to the generous lanyard hole for additional control while batoning and chopping. Snap the SCHF51M securely into its black woven fabric sheath using the adjustable handle strap. And secure the knife to any belt using the rear loop. Sharpen the SCHF51M in the field using the 4-inch diamond sharpening stone that conveniently travels with a 2.5-inch fire steel rod and striker in the front pouch of the sheath. Built for the backcountry, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime.
The Selknam knife, it is a thick and strong bushcraft and survival knife. It is designed with this thick blade so you can practice batoning and chopping easily. Also, it has a border socket for primitive fire and also this notch for a ferrocerium rod striking. Besides, you have this coconut breaker so you can give him some hard thing to do like breaking stuff or processing wood. Fingertip for a better grip and a nice large Condor edge. It is a convex edge.
This is the Fastball from Gerber. The Fastball was born out of the market's demand for a slim, lightweight, manual finger flip pocket knife. Ball bearings and a precise detent allow the Fastball to operate like a light switch without a spring. The Fastball features an improved Wharncliffe blade shape. What that means for the user is enhanced durability and precision at the tip. CPM S30V stainless blade steel provides extreme edge retention and corrosion resistance. The Fastball's handles are CNC machined from aluminum and finished in Type 3 hard anodize. Ambidextrous carry is provided by 3 pocket clip positions. A liner lock provides secure lockup in the open position and detents the blade closed safely in your pocket. It's available in 3 colors and 2 blade finishes. We designed the Fastball to be smooth, consistent, and second nature in operation, and it's made right here in the USA.
This is the Schrade SCH-223 liner lock folding knife, one of two models in the SCH-223 series. Handsome, stealth, and full of attitude, the SCH-223 is a rugged blade on a mission to serve your most imminent cutting needs. Housed in a sleek, ergonomic aluminum handle, the razor-sharp, full fine edge, 3.5-inch, bead-blasted 9CR18 Movi stainless steel blade is fashioned to a narrow drop point that is especially suited for piercing, slicing, and fine cutting tasks requiring precision, while being equally at home tackling utility assignments in the kitchen, garage, warehouse, or backyard. Call the SCH-223 into action using the ambidextrous thumb knobs or index flipper. The blade securely snaps to the ready and is held firm by a discreet liner lock. Slide the liner lock to the side and carefully fold the blade into the handle for storage. The generous 4.5-inch contoured aluminum handle is fashioned to comfortably fit the widest range of hand sizes. Palm and thumb jimping aid in grip without causing hot spots, and the winged index flipper opens to form a well-appointed guard to further secure your grip. The low-profile 2-inch bead-blasted clip holds the SCH-223 ready for action in any pocket, pouch, or purse. A lanyard hole is provided for additional security. Stout, stylish, and sharp, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime.
This is the principle from Gerber. When you're in the woods, you don't know what nature's going to throw at you. We designed the principle to meet any need. The Scandinavian grime is built to take a beating and retain its edge, but also excels at carving, whittling, and feather sticking. You don't want to carry extra gear to start a fire, so all you need is the 90-degree edge and a fire steel to throw sparks straight into your tinder. If you do manage to dull your blade, the zero edge makes it really easy to sharpen in the field. Bushcrafting demands a wide array of activities and cuts. The principle has designed-in ergonomics that make the primary three grips to support those methods very easy: baseball, precision, and chest lever. And the micro-textured overmold delivers comfort during prolonged use. Full Tang construction and drop point blade shape deliver incredible strength and versatility. Through-hole rivets can provide tethering in a pinch. It's important to have your knife where you want it when you need it, so we integrated a multi-mount sheath system. You can carry vertically on your belt, horizontal, or attached to MOLLE webbing. Available in 2 colors, this hard-working US-made fixed blade is designed to overcome every obstacle.
The XCOM, Model 3425, a Les George design. The XCOM measures 8 inches in overall length and weighs 4.2 ounces. It opens manually with a thumb disc and features glass-filled nylon handle scales with a lanyard hole. The backspacer is also glass-filled nylon. The blade is made of 8CR13 MOV steel with a black oxide coating. It has a reversible deep carry pocket clip. To keep the blade securely open, it utilizes an inset liner lock. The XCOM design was inspired by the classic M3 trench knife. which was utilized by U.S. soldiers from World War II through the Vietnam War.